This video shows you the best method to repair corrupted, damaged, and inaccessible OSD files and easily export them into multiple different file formats. We deliver you the perfect solution. DRS OST Recovery Tool to repair damaged OSD and recover the maximum possible data and export to PST, MSG, MBOX, EML, DBX, and archive file formats. You can perform OSD recovery on your Windows system and recover all the items of Outlook OSD data like tasks, emails, calendars, contacts, etc. Now let's check out the other functions of OSD recovery software. Option to recover the required data from the Restore OSD file using a date range filter option. Embedded with 3 different recovery modes such as Standard, Advanced, and Deep, the alignment errors can be successfully fixed from the corrupted OSD file by using this tool. Widely compatible with all the versions of Windows OS and MS Outlook from earlier to the latest. Now let's install and run the software to perform swift OSD file recovery. Here is the simple user interface of the software. Click the Open button to select corrupt OSD files to recover. If you know the location of your OSD files, simply click the Browse button and select the corrupt OSD file. Or if you don't know the location, click the Search button. Now define a location where you think the OSD files are stored. Select the file and click OK. Now select the recovery settings. First start with selecting the recovery modes, Standard, Advanced, or Deep. Choose to handle alignment errors in the OSD file. Now provide OSD file details like file type and file encryption type. Also, tick to choose support non-English characters. Click OK. The scanning process started. Wait for some time till it gets finished. Click OK after the scanning process gets completed. Now select the OST items that you want to recover and click the Export button to save OST in HTML format. Type the file name and click the Save button. If you want to save OST in other formats, then click the Save button from the software interface. Choose an existing folder on the system where you want to save the recovered mailbox content, or you can create a new folder. Click OK after selecting the file saving location. Now select Save as an option to save all the recovered data into a new file format. Here we choose EML to explain the process. Also, define other options as hierarchy starts without the top of a personal folder in MS Outlook. Pick a date range for saving the recovered data. Click Add Date Range button to add the selected date range. Click OK to start the OSD recovering and saving process. Within a couple of minutes, the saving process will be completed. Click OK and close the application. Thank you for watching the video. For more updates, subscribe to the channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.